Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella Hall. I'm a natural hair blogger based in UK. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this beautiful Ankara Fringe earrings. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Thank you so much. First thing, let's start with the materials. So you need your earrings, a piece of fabric, scissors, and then you need your glue gum and your glues. So you can get any fabric you have left. This is the best time to use your scrap fabrics that are just lying around. So let's get into the tutorial. So what you have to do is to cut about an inch of your fabric. So what I'm doing is just cutting a very long inch of fabric, and I'm doing two to be safe. So it's better to have more fabrics than to have little. Okay, so after doing that, you have to bring your hoops earring out, and what you have to do is to get your glue gum hot. So because my glue gun was the first time using this particular glue gun, it didn't meant my glue on time. So my glue is from Italy and I don't know what's going on. I bought the glue gun here but wasn't meant it on time. So if your glue gun is hot, you just have to spread the hot glue on the hoops. Yes guys, that's easy. But I found out with this particular glue gum, it's dry up easily, so you have to work very fast. So what I'm doing is just folding the material in. I don't want the rough ends to show, and then I'm wrapping it around the earring. Very easy guys, just wrap the fabric around your earring. Guys, sorry about my voice. I just took the vaccine and I've lost my voice. I don't know what's going on, but we're still going to make this video. So because like I said before, the glue was getting hard immediately. The beginning part was not holding on to the fabric, so I'm going to redo that again at the end of the video. So all you have to do now is to continue gluing and wrapping the fabric around your earrings. Guys, you can see the beginning part of the earring that it didn't hold down, so I'm going to do that once more again off camera. So now you can see it. I've succeeded in gluing everything down. You can see the extra glue there. I have to do it again. So you have to make sure that your glue gun is hot and your glue is mincing properly so that you can spread the fabric on it. So I'm going to do the same thing for the second earring. So what happened is that one material was enough for one earring and half was still remaining, and I just decided to use that half for the second earring. That's why I said it's wise to have more fabrics than to have little. So I've done both sides, both earrings, and it's looking lovely. You can actually rock the earring like this, but because we're extra, we're going to add some fringes to it, guys. So this is it, looking lovely like I said, but we're going to add fringes to it to make it pop a lot. So to make your fringes, you just need your extra fabrics and cut it into tiny pieces, less than ½ inches each of them. So it depends on how long you want your fringes to be. You can make it longer or shorter. It totally depends on your preference. So this is it. All you have to do now is to tie your fabric to the earring. It is that easy, guys. Just take it and make a double knot, and you've made a very lovely fringe. So when you do a couple more, then you're going to see how beautiful it looks like. Let me leave you guys to watch the remaining video because my voice sounds horrible. All right guys. So after adding the fabric, I felt the orange color was just little, and I decided to go ahead and add the blue part of my Ankara fabric. So if you have any fabric, you can decide to mix patterns or use just a plain fabric. You can use any fabric of your choice to make this earring, and it's going to come out equally beautiful. So this is all I'm doing. Let me go ahead and continue making my fringe earring. This is the end of it, guys. This earring is looking so beautiful. I love the mixture of the blue fabric and the orange fabric, so it looks really nice, and I think I'll be making more. So I'm going to go ahead and make the other earring off camera, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. All right, so this is the finished look, guys. It's so beautiful and lovely and colorful and just right for the summer. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos and natural hair videos. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want more accessory videos, because as naturalists, I think one of the best thing we do is that we accessorize a lot, guys, and it's lovely. If you like accessories, it's lovely. If you don't like, it's lovely. Do what is best for you and your natural hair. So thank you so much, guys, for watching to this end. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment to my next video. God bless you guys, and bye bye.